We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 8.5 by 18 foot blue enclosed trailer with Blackout package. This does have your extended tongue with jack coupler and safety chains. Here we have your spare tire holder. This trailer is a V-nose and it does have the slant top. Has your black ATP stone guard. This is a nice electric blue with the screwed exterior. There's your driver's side entry door with bar lock. This is a tandem axle. It comes with two Greaseable 3,500 pound axles with 15-inch wheels and tires. Inside, there are D-rings built in. There's the electrical outlets. Has windows on both the passenger and driver side. This does have E-track that is built into the floor. The floor is made of heavy-duty plywood as well as the walls. This trailer does have two entry doors, one on each side. Here we have the light switch, which does go to your LED light strip. Manual roof vent. This is a V-nose trailer. It does have the slant. The electrical package. The ramp is spring assisted. This trailer does have an interior height of 8 feet. This is wired with your LED drive lights. This does have the bar lock. Once again, this is the 8.5 by 18 blue enclosed trailer with Blackout package and the slant V-nose. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.